everyone, another easy project I'd like to share with you. The fabric I buy from last time when I make something and I cut in the circle. You can trace from the cup as long as the first circle is smaller than the second one is 1 inch, so going up. This one I have is 1 inch circle, and then 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 and 6. So this roll right here, I got it from a Dollar Tree. I also cut this out 6 inches long, and then from there I fold it in half and then I cut into 2, so just like this. But then the smaller one, for the smaller circle, I cut the small one. So I do like an inch, 1 inch length, like that. And let's just start it. Very simple, everyone, just hand sew. My back is hurting me so badly, so I just cannot use the sewing machine today, so I'm doing this one. Go very close to the end of the circle with the thread, and then I hold this one here. Okay, and from here I go bathing stitch or running stitch, whatever stitch are you comfortable with. Go ahead and do all around the outer line of the circle. You're gonna do all 6 of them. The side is up to you, whatever you decide to use. You can use 1.5 inch, and the next one is 2.5, 3.5, 4.5. Go like that, or you can do whatever. You can start from 2 inches to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It depends on whatever. My back is really pain. I don't know what is going on. So I have this lately when I go in somewhere, like if I go to shopping with a boy, and then all of a sudden in the right below my hip, where my left side of my butt, it start to pain. So now at the end here, I'm starting to pull this. Now you can make it like 1 inch circle already. So go ahead and sew this so it stays together. So anyway, everyone, so I walk about, I tell you it's not long, about 5 minutes or so, and then half of my left side where my butt come all the way down to my foot on the left, feel very painful, and I feel like it's numb, that I can barely walk anymore. So that happened lately to me. Very painful. Waiting for the doctor, see what she say. My doctor is really good. When I email her, she usually tell me to go see who and who she refer me to, right to the doctor. You don't need to go see her and then wait for her to send someone else. So now continue do the next one and the next one until you're finished. So hopefully I don't get anything serious. That would be very sad. Sound like I'm a 90 years old. So continue doing this, everyone. I start the Christmas holiday this year early, not just for holiday. I make so many things that I can give out. It doesn't have to be Christmas, but I have boxes and I just put it in there, and I call this emergency gift, and I can just give it away. I have many people. Oh, thank you so much for the people has donate to my channel, and many of you asked to send fabric to me. I'm very lucky to have those kindness people like you. So continue doing this, everyone, until you finish all of them. So everyone, I'm gonna place this in order. This is the biggest one, and then we'll go from the biggest to the smallest. Biggest, and then the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. To you, I'm using this one, and I'll go right in the center. And then you're going to make sure it stay in one area like this, because it lose a little bit right here. So if you don't do that from the beginning, when you pour it, it's gonna come out the whole thing. So going to do all the way halfway like this, maiden stitch in the middle, straight all the way down. You see, you're going right in the middle of the line here. Yeah, I'm gonna go all the way to here. Now when you pull it, it's gonna be like this. It's like it rounded for you. So pretty. Okay, so when I get that, I'm gonna go ahead and go down, and then I go up. I have something like this. I'm gonna place right in the middle of the first layer of the tree, like this, and then I go down. I'm gonna make sure it go right in the middle, right that, in the back. I'm gonna add this button right here, and I go right across from here, and I'm going back up to the middle, and I go up in the center where you just have that one. And now the button go in the bottom of the first layer. The button right here, I can add it in. You don't have to, you don't want to, but okay, so add another button right in the center of this one, right here. Go down to the big giant button, pull, so that button can stay right in the middle, and then you go in right up of that green button, and from here you go down when I go down, I'm gonna go back up. Okay, now you can see that's the first layer we have. Add the next one. You're going to add the next one to it. This is the next one. Go right into the center. Go into here. And that is the second layer. From this second layer, same old thing. All right, now add another button. You can slide right into the layer here. So from here, I'm continue to do to the next layer. I'm gonna add another one, but make sure I go right into the center right here and continue to do so. It's getting bigger on the side too. Very cute. So continue to do so, everyone. Add the button. So two more, everyone. We're gonna add another one, and then the last one, the smallest one. So this one going up. Instead of cutting half, I cut into 3, so that it's smaller, because you don't use the wide side bigger like that, because it's gonna show the thing more. So now you're gonna pull. You keep pulling, and then this thing is gonna form is like a flower for you. The last one up here, add the button if you want on the top here only. All up to you. Everything you do is your choice. The top one, I only put the button there, and look at this. How cute. If you want to make it smaller so you can hang around your Christmas tree like an ornament, you can cut in the smaller side. But look at that, how cute it is. And super easy to make too. Very beautiful. I have made another one with the candy cane fabric too. It's so beautiful. Fabric of your choice. You can do anything you want. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like button to support my channel. The like button is very important for our video. Stay safe, everyone.